In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to Favorites in File Explorer on Windows 11. This is a really handy tip for anyone wanting to streamline their workflow and have quick access to frequently used files. So let's dive right in. First, what we're going to do is open the File Explorer. You can do this by simply pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard at the same time. This is a quick shortcut that brings up the File Explorer instantly, so you don't have to go searching around for it in the Start menu. Once you're in File Explorer, you'll see various folders and files listed there. Your next task will be to navigate to the file that you want to add to your favorites. You can do this by either using the sidebar to go through your folders or by typing in the file path in the address bar at the top of the window. Once you've located your desired file, the next step is to right-click on it. By doing this, you'll bring up a context menu with several options. Make sure you really do right-click your mouse or trackpad to get this menu up. From the list of options that appears, find and click on Add to Favorites. It's that simple. Just a click and you're setting yourself up for easier access in the future. Finally, let's talk about where you can find your favorited files. After you've added a file to your favorites, it will show up in two places. Firstly, you'll find it in the navigation pane to the left of the File Explorer window. You'll see a section labeled Favorites, and your file will be listed there for easy reach. Secondly, it will also appear on the home page of your File Explorer. This makes it incredibly convenient as you can jump to your most used files without having to navigate through endless folders each time. One small tip to keep in mind: while favoriting files is a fantastic way to organize your workflow, make sure that the file is in a location that won't be moved, as the shortcut in your favorites won't update automatically. This move will save you from the annoying "File Not Found" error. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've now learned how to add a file to your favorites in Windows 11. This will undoubtedly make your day-to-day computing more efficient, freeing up more time for the important stuff. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any more questions or want to learn more tips, feel free to leave a comment below or check out our other videos for more handy tech tips. Have a great day.